Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Amanda Turner and I am a licensed real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today we're checking out a property in San Juan Cosala, and not just the racket club like we usually do. This is actually in the town of San Juan Cosala, so you are walkable to everything. I want to say maybe you could even walk to the thermal water spas that are just like 5 minutes down the road. I mean, it might be like a 10 to 15 minute walk, but you know, that's up to you. The only thing about this house is it needs work. It's priced for that. So you'll see that the house is actually very spacious. And it has a second level with a bedroom, 2 bedrooms on the first floor. So if you wanted to do your main living on the bottom floor, you could do that and then have the upstairs for any guests or office, whatever you like. And the property goes from one block to the next block. So if you wanted to add a door to the other side of the property so that you can get out on that street, or so that perhaps maybe you turn the upstairs of this property into like a rental, you could do that as well. And then there would be a completely separate entrance. It's already got a beautiful pool. The gardens are ready to be established. You can see some plants in here that are well maintained. It just needs maybe like a little bit of grassy areas or whatever. But the pool was just recently redone. So, and that's all in working order. So that's nice. Before we get started on this property, I just need to give a shout out to our businesses. We have a bed and breakfast and a cafe in Ajijic Centro. And the bed and breakfast has been in business, Estrellita's, for about 23 years now. My mother-in-law had it for a very long time. My partner and I have had it for about 6 years now. And we just won Best B&B and Best Coffee in all of Lakeside for the last 3 years and Best of Lake Chapala. And yeah, we would love it if you stay with us if and when you come down to visit and check out some properties, things like that. To view more information on these properties, you can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you will find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and you'll also find a link to the MLS. If you'd like to browse homes in this area, kind of see what we have on inventory. And if you go to the contact form, if you are interested in buying here or selling here, you can get to me through there, go straight to my email. So just fill that out and we can start a dialogue. And all right, let's go check out this property.
Se encontraron a pesar de todo. Porque la vida lo quiso y así fue. Y juntos construyeron su castillo de amor y pasión. Pasaron años y la llama se fue apagando. Se fueron olvidando cómo ser dignos al amor. Cada vez más alejados y callados.
This property is listed for $261,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 350 square meters or 3,767 square feet. The lot size is 595 square meters or 6,405 square feet. It is not located in a gated community, therefore there is no HOA. It does not come furnished, and it is in San Juan Cosala.
A pesar de todo, porque la vida lo quiso y así fue. Y juntos construyeron su castillo de amor y pasión. Pasaron años y la llama es lo peor. El amor es lo más fuerte y poderoso. Esa alegría en la que hay dolor. Seguridad en el que hay temores. Sin embargo, no volvemos a enredar. El amor es lo más fuerte y poderoso. Esa alegría en la que hay dolor. Seguridad en el que hay temores. Sin embargo, no volvemos a enredar. Atravesando el silencio de la noche, otro otoño acababa de empezar, aunque estaba uno al lado del otro, estaban lejos y sin poder hablar.
Property that we're checking out is located right here. It goes from street to street. And I'm going to zoom out so we can see exactly where we are. Now, I'm not super familiar with San Juan Cosala, like the actual town. I haven't spent a whole lot of time there. But what I do know is that you're kind of right in the center. Or you're in San Juan Cosala Centro. Because let me zoom out here so you can see. This is the racket club here. This is all San Juan Cosala. It's a very, very small town. So everything is, that's my cat. If you think that's your cat, that's my cat. Anyway, so this is pretty much walkable to everything. And San Juan Cosala has its own, clinics, and here's a veterinarian here. What else is around here? Some food and everything. It's a very culturally Mexican town, which is kind of nice because if you're trying to learn Spanish, you're better off in this type of area because immersion is the best way to learn. So, and this house is, although it needs some work, it's very nice and it goes block to block. So that's a definite plus. You can put a door over here if you want to kind of have an entrance to that side of the house if you wanted to turn some part of the house into a rental. Anyway, so the town of San Juan Cosala, very cool. It's known for its thermal water spas. So the thermal water spas are right over here. These are all spas along the lake. They're lakefront. So if we zoom in a little bit here, you can see all these different pools are thermal water. It's so nice. Thermal Cosala is the one that we usually go to. That's right on the lake, so it has a nice view. Racket Club also has Monte Cosala, which is very nice, thermal water spa, and has amazing views of Lake Chapala because it's high up on the mountain here. So the views, oh my God, they're so beautiful up there. And it has a nice restaurant too. So you do not have to live here to get to there. The public is welcome to Monte Cosala. And then La Vida Bella Spa and Hotel is here too. And they have a very delicious, nice restaurant up there as well. So from this house to Thermal Cosala, you just drive straight down this road right here. You don't even need to go out onto the main highway, and that's a 4-minute drive. And if you wanted to go up here to this thermal water spa inside of the Racket Club, that's an 8-minute drive. And if you wanted to get to Pancho's to do some grocery shopping, that's 9 minutes. To get to Ajijic Centro, this is a Thursday at 11:50 a.m. It would take you 17 minutes. To get to Ajijic Centro is 19-minute drive. To get to the Malecón in Chapala, which is a super fun malecon, is 35 minutes. Not too bad. To get to Guadalajara International Airport is a 53-minute drive. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel like I'm stuttering all the way through this video. Anyway, if you would like to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, which you totally should, you can click right here. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye.